You're staring at the fridge again. Last night's dinner is still in there, whispering, "Don't throw me out," but you have no idea what to do with it. Well, today, those leftovers become legends. I'm about to show you how to turn fridge-forgotten bites into 3 irresistible meals with flavor explosions you won't believe came from scraps. These are 3 fun food stories that'll not only save your wallet but glue your taste buds to the screen. We're talking golden croquettes, melty toast bombs, and sizzling rolls, all with rich sauces, perfect sides, crunchy snacks, and sweet homemade juice. If you've ever dumped leftovers just because they felt boring, this video is going to save your soul and your budget. So stay with me till the end, because there's a hidden trick I sneak into almost all my meals. See if you can catch it. And hey, if fun, fast, flavor-packed food stories are your thing, go ahead and subscribe right now. This kitchen is where the magic happens, and the fridge becomes the hero. The first fun food story starts with what most people overlook: cold leftover rice and dry roasted chicken. But not you, because you're about to transform them into crispy, cheesy croquettes with a creamy, garlicky tomato sauce you'll want to bathe in. Here's what you'll do. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of leftover cooked rice, 1 shredded roasted chicken thigh, half a cup shredded cheese, 1 egg, a big spoonful of Greek yogurt or thick cream, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a sprinkle of smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley. Stir until it holds together. Scoop into ovals and roll them in flour, dip in egg, then breadcrumbs. Pro tip: pop them in the freezer for 10 minutes. This helps them hold their shape and gives that crackly crust. Now for the cooking. To fry, use shallow oil and cook each side until golden and crisp. To bake, place croquettes on a greased baking tray, spray lightly with oil, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway until they're golden and crunchy. Air fryers. Oh yes, 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius will do the trick. Fun fact: the air fryer method blends protein, fiber, and carbs so well it keeps you full and energized longer. Perfect for students, late workers, or anyone running on fumes. Now the sauce. Oh, the sauce. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan, add 1 teaspoon flour, whisk for a minute, then pour in half a cup milk and stir. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 grated garlic clove, a dash of chili flakes, a squeeze of lemon, and salt. Let it bubble till thick and velvety. It's rich, tangy, just garlicky enough, and ties everything together with comforting elegance. But wait, we're not done. The side dish is a zesty cabbage-carrot slaw that adds crunch and color. Thinly shred leftover cabbage and 2 carrots. Massage with lemon juice, a little salt, a tablespoon of mayo mixed with mustard, and a drizzle of honey. It's creamy, fresh, and lifts the whole plate. Snack pairing. Let's take those stale bread ends and turn them into cheesy herb crouton bites that are so good they might steal the show. Tear or cube the bread into chunky pieces. Not too small, you want that texture. In a bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of dried herbs. Pour this over the bread to gently soften them. Then sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Cheddar or mozzarella works beautifully. Toss lightly so each bite is coated with that creamy, herby base. Spread on a tray and bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit until golden, bubbly, and crisp. The result: crunchy on the outside, soft in the center, with gooey cheese and a burst of garlic herb aroma in every bite. Add a pinch of chili flakes or smoked paprika for a spicy kick. Add 1 beaten egg for a richer, custardy version. Like mini savory bread puddings. You just gave your leftover bread a second life as the ultimate savory snack. Got leftover sauce? Use it as a dip for these cheesy bites. Nothing wasted. Everything delicious. Quick question: what's one weird leftover you never know how to use? Comment below, and maybe you'll see it flipped into magic in a future fun food story. Now, fun food story number 2 is going to blow your mind, because we're turning leftover boiled potatoes and eggs into loaded egg and potato toast melts. The kind that ooze cheese, crunch when you bite, and warm your soul. Grate 2 leftover boiled potatoes into a bowl. Add salt, black pepper, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Mix and press onto thick slices of bread like a crust. Pan-sear the potato side first until golden, flip onto a tray. Now layer on sliced leftover boiled eggs. Sprinkle over cheddar, or mozzarella, red pepper flakes, and bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until bubbly and golden. Want that cafe-style crisp? Spread butter on the bottom of the bread before baking for extra sizzle. Serve it with a spicy homemade ketchup dip. 3 tablespoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, 1/2 teaspoon vinegar, a pinch of cumin. Boom! Heat, tang, and sweetness in one swipe. Snack! Crispy roasted chickpeas. Just toss drained canned chickpeas with olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Roast until crunchy. They're perfect for brain-boosting study munchies. Don't have eggs? Use leftover veggies, or even tuna. These melts are versatile. Budget tip: each toast costs less than $1 to make and tastes like something out of a street cafe. What would you top your toast melt with? Bacon bits, corn, olives? Drop it in the comments. I'm stealing your ideas. Now take a deep breath, because fun food story number 3 is a bold, spicy, crunchy wrap that turns leftover minced meat and veggies into crispy flatbread rolls with a cooling yogurt sauce and the sweetest juice your fridge can offer. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of cooked minced meat with 1/2 cup finely chopped cooked veggies, think peas, carrots, or spinach. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon breadcrumbs, cumin, coriander, pepper, and a tiny pinch of cinnamon. Spoon this mixture down the middle of flatbreads or tortillas. Roll them tight. Brush lightly with oil, then pan-sear both sides until crispy and golden. Now the sauce. Refreshing and necessary. Greek yogurt, lemon juice, 1 grated garlic clove, salt, a drizzle of honey. That's it. Spoon it over the hot wraps and sigh with joy. Side dish: a chopped salad, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, parsley, lemon juice, and olive oil. Sprinkle sumac or chili powder if you have it for that street food tang. Snack: toasted pita chips. Tear up flatbreads, toss with oil and spices, and bake till crunchy. Now the drink. Blend 3 ripe mangoes, 1 orange, juice only, a small piece of ginger, 1 cup cold water, and a spoonful of honey. Serve over ice. It's tropical, sweet, and makes everything taste sunnier. No blender. Just slice mangoes with a knife. Stir in orange juice and ginger water. It's chunky but still delicious. Freeze leftover juice in ice cube trays. Use for smoothies later or to flavor water. Zero waste. And there you have it. 3 leftover transformations so thrilling, so budget-saving, and so mouth-watering that you'll never dump a good dinner again. You've got golden rice and chicken croquettes, bubbling egg and potato toast melts, and crispy meat and veggie flatbread rolls. All paired with rich sauces, crunchy sides, bold snacks, and the sweetest homemade fruit juice to finish. If your mouth's not watering, check your pulse. Now tell me, which of these are you making first? And what's your most boring leftover? I dare you to challenge me with it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs fridge inspiration today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep those leftovers close because the best meals are hiding in plain sight.